Welcome back to another episode. Two bird toss this morning, Sunday morning. We're gonna have that continue. Two bird toss. That's 16 miles. We're gonna go for that toss this morning. These are the birds. Those are doing pretty alright. These are the old birds here, the young birds. On the above side, that's where we're playing the birds from. That's where we're playing the birds from, so we're gonna head on that journey at 16 miles. And we release the birds. And you guys will see when we get on that destination. When we get to that destination, you see what's going on. So, got the birds here already. See the birds. Birds here already. Ready to go. Ready to go at 16 miles. Second weekend. Every Sunday. Second weekend. I'm gonna get these birds going. So it's getting pretty hot in the morning, so I'll see you guys when I get over to that destination and see the birds. Yes guys, we are here at our destination. Back here again. Same 16 miles, same point. Same St. Andrew Parish Church. Big church. Same view. Pretty calm today. Not too windy. Birds should make it pretty easy. Birds are here. We're here. It's about 9 o'clock now. So we release the birds at 9. You know, got here, but you're not gonna sit too long. We're gonna release. You see those guys at home. You see who make it on this two bird toss. 16 birds. It's gonna be a very long episode. It's gonna be very long. Basically every Sunday you can get this toss. Every Sunday. That's about it. See them when I get back home. I release them. See if they're gonna come out. Remember the last Sunday, the birds take a little while before they come out. Birds here passing a bit. So we're gonna release them. See how them do, how them go. They're all ready to go out. They're all ready to go. One gone. Number 2 gone. A little bit circle. Let's have a circle. Circle. Sun is pretty warm, flying pretty high. One bird is alone. One bird alone. Let's see what these birds do. They're pretty ready together now. Let's see if they make it back home. See you guys when I get back home. The birds made it back. The birds are all here, pattering. Less than an hour. They made it back. A little after me, they made it back. Birds are here. Going in, but they are here. They made it back, but they're not going in. Right. See that someone is going to come in. battering pretty hard, man. They went off course. Right here. One is inside. Inside. All here. All the birds here gonna give them feeding with the old birds. Give them some feed, some water. Give the young birds some feed, some water. Birds are all having to feed. The young birds are over there eating. Give them feed. And 2 birds made it. Better than that, the first bird. The birds take about an hour. Get less than an hour, which is not much difference, but close, along the same thing. Different. They're doing going to make it back. Giving this light feed, light mixture, play on. And sunflower, corn, oat. Light feed, very light feed. That's the second weekend with that 2 bird, young bird toss. We got some more coming up. We look forward to them on Sunday. Again, another play. Sunday coming up. Young birds. Alright. So we're gonna have that toss every Sunday. For our guys to see it, 2 birds at a time, 16 birds. When the toss is out. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. So peace out.